Is your 2009-2010 Nissan Cube key fob not working from far away? That's probably the battery. We'll show you how to replace it yourself, saving time and money. It's a simple DIY task that anyone can do with basic tools. A new battery will restore your remote's range and reliability. Your Nissan Cube key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Here are the specifications for the CR2032 battery. While some older manuals mention CR2025, CR2032 is the standard and recommended replacement. You can find these at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon and eBay for under $5. Newer batteries offer longer life. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic key fob opening tool. A spudger works well. Using a plastic tool helps prevent scratches. Having a soft cloth available to protect the key fob surface is also a good idea. You won't need any specialized equipment or soldering tools. First, locate the small notch or seam on the edge of the key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic opening tool into the notch. Carefully pry the case open. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once the key fob is open, locate the old battery inside. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol, typically faces up. Carefully remove the old battery without damaging the contacts. Now insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Double-check the polarity before closing the fob. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob or prevent it from functioning. Always ensure the positive terminal faces the same direction as before. Begin by aligning the two halves of the key fob casing. Make sure the edges match up properly before snapping them together. Gently press the halves together until you hear a click. Ensure the case is securely closed without forcing it. Now test the key fob functions. Press the lock and unlock buttons to verify they work from a short distance. Also test the panic button. If the functions don't work, double-check that the battery is inserted with correct polarity, positive side up. Ensure the battery makes good contact with the terminals. If your key fob still isn't working after battery replacement, start by cleaning the battery contacts. Use a cotton swab, dipped in isopropyl alcohol, to gently wipe away any corrosion or dirt on the metal contacts in the key fob case. Next, verify that your replacement battery is new and hasn't expired. Check the battery's packaging for an expiration date and ensure it's a fresh CR2032 battery with the correct voltage. If the key fob still doesn't work after cleaning and using a fresh battery, there may be internal damage such as corroded circuitry or a faulty transmitter. In this case, professional repair or replacement is recommended. When replacing your key fob battery, always dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly. Take it to a recycling center instead of throwing it in the trash to prevent environmental harm. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is shifting toward rechargeable key fobs and smartphone-based remote control systems. These offer longer battery life and added convenience. However, for your 2009-2010 Nissan Cube, the simple DIY battery replacement with a CR2032 cell is still the most practical and affordable option.